Good morning, YouTube, or good afternoon, or good night, wherever you at. Today, I'm gonna be working on like hospitality. Y'all see the roosters up this morning, so you know we up. Hey. All right, let's go. This is your ninja Q.
What you just call me?
Ninja Q. But yeah, man, just getting everything nice. We got like a field trip coming through later.
Oh. Like Caterpillar loves it. Oh, Oreo's eating it. You can like feel them like ripping it off.
We back to back, 22 turn like the Beatles. We did the third one. Hey, get up submarine if you know about the Beatles. Damn, I'm moving so cold, I got the chamber. Damn, I'm moving so cold, I got the language. Damn, she wanna get in, she wanna nigga. Damn, I said, come on, little baby, I'm single. What you gotta tell him, you know? Fuck yeah, bro. Let's go. Hey, I'm chilling with my homie, eating that papaya. He ain't a liar. He a good guy. And so, he's so high up in the sky. Like an aircraft.
Oh man, y'all see the vibes. We got Nino in this month, maybe. Not holding to do in this month, man. Isn't that turtle?
Oh, the one on the left is rabbit. Right?
Oh, the one on the right actually look like a turtle though.
Yep.
Okay, it makes sense now. I see it now, yeah. So it's good to the vlog, man. Yeah, playlist crazy. Playlist is crazy. No misses. Best playlist? I don't know. Gotta turn up, go. I can turn up.
Yeah. These guys are from Hawaii Kai.
Let's see the homie top perform. The boys is cold.
Stopping, we keep it flowing from the top of the dome. Keep it rocking, we rocking like the hard rock, never stopping. Weekly, got your residential doctor. Oh, 2 months on with the band, we got the vibes wanna fuck with me, I take her brother and I nuggy. I'm taking over shit, bitch, I'm the alpha of this cat. Talking shit to me, you play around and you get smacked. A nigga talk to me crazy, he might just go get whacked. But no, we don't do that, we burn the vibes and bring the peace. I roll the gas up in the leaf, I roll the gas up, where's the trees? I do this shit with ease, I'm moving so prestige. Boy, you is a rookie, you know I'm moving prestige. Damn, bitch, I'm ballin' in the leagues. I'm pulling up from the 3 like my name was KD. Hey, kill that ratio. I'm killing all you hoes. I'm killing all these flows. You play, I wanna go. 2 playing, I want some more. With Switzerland in the snow. Woo!